Beadle Carpentry. From structural wood framing to custom cabinets and doors, Ladysmith carpentry can take on a nearly limitless number of forms. At Beadle Carpentry, we're master carpenters and proud of our ability to assist with all sorts of carpentry projects, big and small. You can expect our experienced carpentry team to get your job done within your deadline, to your exact specifications, and with a customer-friendly attitude. Call 250-784-8388 and let's discuss your Ladysmith carpentry needs. For more information, please visit our website, www.beadlecarpentry.ca, or contact us through phone, 250-784-8388. You can visit our office, 13,230 Trans-Canada Highway, Ladysmith, British Columbia V9G1L8. Beadle Carpentry.